Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G31. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So in the beginning, let's enter the camera and let's start with the modes we've got on the homepage of the camera. In the beginning it's video and photo mode. So this camera is capable of 8x zoom and 0.5x zoom out. Also, we can enable macro mode. Flashlight, timer between 3 seconds and 10 seconds, active photos, and aspect ratio between 3:4 and 9:60. Also, we can enable full screen. If you tap on the screen, you can change brightness level of your photo. Right here we've got Google Lens. And the camera just glitched. Okay. And we've got scene detector. Let's search for different modes like portrait mode, cutout, spot color, night vision, cinematograph, panorama, group selfie, live filter, pro mode with adjustable AF, white balance, shutter, ISO, and exposure. Also, we've got dual capture for both front and the rear camera photos, slow motion, and time lapse. Now let's go to the settings. And in settings, we can enable or disable auto smile capture, gesture selfie, smart composition, shot optimization, low light AI, and Google Lens. Also, in photos, we can change resolution of photo for front and rear camera, enable HDR, selfie photo mirror, and watermark. In video, we can enable or disable stabilization, and then we can manage quick capture, tap anywhere to capture, shutter sound, assistive grid, leveler, key blast mode, and in save settings we can change camera storage location and enable save location. And that's all this camera offers us. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.